Removing the Microsoft Clarity verification code from your website header won't stop it from collecting user analytics data. Recently, I deleted the Microsoft Clarity code from my Dozro site, yet you can see that it continues to track my website and is affecting the page load speed. To completely disable Microsoft Clarity tracking, log into your Microsoft Clarity account. Click on the three-line menu in the top right corner. In the left panel, expand Settings and select the Overview option. Click on the Delete this project option. Choose a reason and click the Delete button. Once completed, your project will be successfully deleted. I will also disable Microsoft Clarity from this Wozro website. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel to enhance your digital skills.